Joining me on 5 Live today is Dr. Anubhav Agarwal from Bhopal's Hamidia Hospital. He's a hero that I wanted you to meet on my show today because Dr. Agarwal is himself COVID positive, but he has been continuing to treat patients in a COVID ward at his hospital because that's what it takes to be a true hero. Not every hero wears a cape, and doctors like Dr. Anubhav Agarwal recognize that patients need care, and that's why despite having COVID, he was on the front lines in his hospital in Bhopal helping patients. And now, with symptoms developing, he has had to isolate himself and is in home isolation. Dr. Agarwal, welcome. First of all, we salute you here on India Today, sir. Take us through your experience. There has been a great deal of pressure, Dr. Agarwal, on the healthcare system. You got COVID yourself. You were COVID positive. You were in a COVID ward. You decided that you will stay there and continue to treat the patients. And only then after that will you go into home isolation. How did you decide this? How was it?
I think the pandemic which is going throughout the world, we the frontline workers, the doctor, nurses, generalists, we can't just sit at our homes and see everything ongoing. Okay, we have to go to our workplace, the hospitals, and have to treat the patients. I want to share the recent incidents which I came across. I got COVID positive second time within the last 6 months. I was admitted in my own hospital, government hospital. The day when I was admitted, I just saw a young patient, 25, 30 years old, just next to me. He started shivering and got breathlessness. I just rushed to him and saw that injection remdesivir was being given to him, and he developed drug reaction with that. I suddenly immediately stopped that drug, gave him injection Aveldeca, shifted the patient to ICCU, gave him oxygen, and monitored that patient for about 3-4 hours. The patient recovered well and got fine. When I came downstairs, I got to meet his parents. His parents, what they told me, they just said, "Doctor साहब, आपने हमारे बच्चे की जान बचा ली, आप डॉक्टर्स को भगवान हमेशा सलामत रखे." With those words, मुझे जो भी symptoms थे, I got fever, मेरा fever, sweat, and everything just got vanished, and I was just left with that smile and proud of being a doctor. कि doctors जब हम छोटे थे, when we were kids, and we just when everyone asked us, then we used to say that बड़े होकर डॉक्टर बन के हमें लोगों की जान बचानी है. We have to save people. Then these are the high times. This is the time when we have to do this, when we can actually save the patient in the field, when we can serve the nation. So we are doing our best, and already all the healthcare system is already flooded with so much patients. Oxygen supply is in shortage. There is not enough drugs. Or already if there are 1,000 number of beds, but there are not enough number of duty doctors available there. So we are just helping our batchmates, our doctors. So we can't just sit at our homes like if we are having fever, okay, it's 100-degree fever, or we are having weakness. We can't just sit at our homes. If we are there, we can help there.
Dr. Anubhav, you were taking all the precautions. You had COVID yourself. There were other patients there who also had COVID. Therefore, there was no obvious threat between the both of you of any infection spreading from one to the other. And taking that into view, I assume you felt that you could continue to perform your duties safely and save more lives, even when you had COVID.
Yeah, we were wearing N95 mask all over the ward, and we used to stay in our rooms. But in case if there is any emergency, if any, all the patients there used to know us. And we also told the sister in charge there that in case of any emergency, just call us. We are from medicine department. We are dealing this pneumonia since our last 3, 4, 5 years. So we are having much experience in this regard. So in case of any emergency, whether it is 2 a.m. or 4 a.m., sister used to call us, or any patient used to call us, and we go to see there. My father is also a doctor. He's 60 years old, and he's serving for 8 to 10 hours during this COVID era. So we are youngsters, 25, 30 years old. So we must have to do this duties for 15, 20 hours, and we should do this all. And we are really proud of this profession, being a doctor, saving the lives. When we used to save a life of like a young patient, like I was just saying, 25, 30 years young patient, when we used to save such a life, then इसके लिए हमें पूरी जिंदगी भर के लिए आपको एक खुशी दे देता है. It just give you that pleasure which can't be taken by anything else. मतलब वो सिर्फ आपको डॉक्टर जैसा नोबल प्रोफेशन ही give you that pleasure कि you have saved the life of that young patient 25-30 years, और उसके पेरेंट्स जब आपके पास आके बोलते हैं कि सर थैंक यू आपने जान बचा ली, तो this all PPE kit duties, sweats and everything just vanished.
Dr. Anubhav,
So,
we
we are
salute
proud
you.
of this.
We really salute you. I hope you get well soon. I hope you're able to go back with full force back to your duties. Even
Yeah.
with COVID, you were performing your duties. I can only imagine once you get out of COVID, how you're going to be on the battlefield, because the war is not over. You know that better than anybody else. I wish you the very best.
Yeah.
You and your family the very best. We salute you. Get well soon. And thank you. Thank you very much for your service. Thank you, Dr. Anubhav. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.